What is that? It's not small. I watched him eat it, dude. I made it. Let's try it. It is not small. Oh my God. On my homemade chatterbait. On my homemade chatterbait. That may be the biggest fish today on my homemade poor man's chatterbait. There's another big one. There's another one. Yeah. On this trip, it was just me and Tiff, and then Luke decided to join us on a float to Connellsville to Dawson. But this was another trip that taught me something very valuable about bait selection. Normally I check the weather condition before I set out on a fishing trip, but this time I didn't have time to check, so I just figured I'll assess the situation when I get there. It's definitely muddy. There we go. I don't know. I can't see it. It's gotta be a trout. Yeah, it's trout. Baby trout. Oh, baby brown trout.
Oh, it popped out. Had a nice rainbow on.
Did you?
Going off at the boat.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch right here. Of course, I threw my normal swim bait, but it didn't take me long to figure out it wasn't really going to work. I learned earlier in the year when it was raining and the water was up and it was muddy, the buzzbait could be a really good choice, so I picked up the buzzbait and started hitting the banks. Oh, that was a good sign. I hit it right at the damn boat though. I think it's too muddy. I did have a smallie try to eat this up there, but that was it. But it did it right at my boat. I was too close to shore. Oh! I did not expect that at all. I was just about thinking, oh, I'm gonna put this thing away. He's off in the boat. He's pissed. Stop. Bud. Oh my God. Oh, he's pissed. Oh my God. He's like a, let's see. It's like a 15. Oh my God, is he pissed. Jesus. First smallie. He's got a whole bunch of scars on his back. I don't know if that's from bouncing around the boat or if that's just what he looked like. Luke was throwing a crankbait and it was doing pretty good for him.
Oh, got one. Not a very big one, but. Oh, there he is. Come here, buddy. He's small. We got something. Oh, it's a.
There you go. Is that a walleye?
That's a walleye.
Nice.
That was the first walleye I ever caught.
Really?
Yeah, I never caught a walleye.
That's good. That's cool.
Oh, you dirty bastard. Oh yeah, first walleye. That was on that crankbait too.
Yeah, they'll definitely eat those sometimes.
I hit it right underneath my boat, dude.
Yeah.
That was wild.
I'm thinking they're like not on the bank, they're off the bank a little bit for some reason. Because that would be the third fish that wasn't near the bank. I mean, honestly, I don't know. Like, this is like a weird time with this much muddy. Like, I don't know what's gonna work. I feel like the crankbait would be better than a swim bait right now.
That's what I have on.
Yeah, that'd probably be better. Like, make a little bit of noise.
The only thing I caught with this swim bait was that first rainbow up where we got in at. And I haven't had a hit on it since.
Yeah, the swim bait probably isn't gonna do that good right now. I didn't think it rained enough to make the river do this. Cause like when it did rain, it rained for like 3 minutes and then stopped. Like, well, how do we have water now? But even the buzzbait didn't seem to be reducing very much. So I started racking my brain, where are the fish at? But an even better question was, what were they eating? what kind of bait would they want to eat? So I said, it's time to give this buzzbait a rest, and I tied on a chatterbait. And the results were almost immediate. Oh, first cast. I just changed that to the chatterbait. It came off. Okay, I know what I'm throwing. Got one. Got one. He's not big. He's not big. On the chatterbait. On the chatterbait. Small one on chatterbait. Oh my god. So a crankbait is one of those baits I hear people tell me all the time that they catch a muskie by accident, just bass fishing. And that was my first thought when I heard Luke say,
Oh, I got something big now. Oh shit.
oh, no shit.
That's a big sucker. You dirty bastard. I got him right on the fin. Yep. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this thing off. I bet my hook all up. I was wondering what the hell this thing was. Did it start pulling drag and shit?
Oh, that thing's huge. That's wrapped around your tip of your rod. Oh my god.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to get the hook out.
Well, there's definitely still suckers alive in here then.
Yeah. There he goes. Soaked me, that bastard. And bent my hook all up.
Yeah, you can bet it.
Dude, he soaked me, dude.
Right here. Oh my god. Right at the boat. He's not even that big. Little guy on a chatterbait. There he is. It don't feel that bad. It don't feel that bad. This is not a bad fish. He's not huge. He's not huge, but he's nice. There we go, chatterbait. Saw him chasing bait up there. He's not that big, but he's a nice, pretty one. Fish. He's not bad. He's not bad. He's not bad. He's digging. He's digging. It's a nice one. Get in the boat. Oh. All right, biggest one today. Oh, he hooked me. I was hooked. Okay. Okay, that's a nice fish. We're gonna check him. What do we got? 15.5 on a chatterbait. Thick guy. Thick. There you go. See you, bud.
Little one. Just a little guy. Where's your daddy at? That was fucking wild.
All right, there's our shot. Faster water. Have like one cast we can make. Hopefully it's a big one. We're moving too fast to make any more casts. Got it. Yep. He's not huge. He's not bad though. Alright, let's... Oh, he's off the hook. He's off the hook. Let's turn around. Let's turn around. Sorry, bud. Turn around. Stop, stop. Fucking rock. Stop, dude. Oh my god. It's good to have water in my boat. Got him. Weirdest way I ever caught a fish. Alright, he's probably 14 maybe. I don't know. Let's let him go in the fast stuff. I can't get you guys because you got chatterbait on. Oh, there's something. What we got? Smallie. Oh, he's not bad. Not a bad fish. Oh. Alright, I need you to get in the boat. You gotta get in the boat. There we go. Other one. Stop. Stop. Oh. There we go. Oh, nice. Probably 14. Let's check them. 14 and a half. There we go. Let's let them go. See you, bud. So I don't like seeing trash on the river. So when I see something I might be able to use, I can't help but pick it up. It is some kind of net. Oh, it might be broken. Yeah, it's definitely broken. We'll take it anyways. Somebody wasn't having a good day. We'll take it. I'm pretty glad I found that net because shortly after, it came in handy. Oh, what is that? Oh my god, a drum ate the fucking chatterbait. Oh my god. A drum ate the chatterbait. It's not small. I watched him eat it, dude. That was sick. It's a big ass drum. No way. Oh. I'm gonna use this net that I just found. Maybe, yep, and scoop him up. He chased it down. On chatterbait, drum on a chatterbait. I watched him eat that. I was like, that's something big. He's gonna be pissed. He's not real big, but he's big. What are you doing? There we go. Drum on a chatterbait. All right, let's see you, bud. There was another one with him. They were both chasing it. That was the coolest thing to watch him come and swim and eat that. That guy was moving. I didn't think drum were that fast. There's one. Oh, there's one. I knew there'd be one over here. He's not huge. He's not bad. Oh, he just slapped me. With his tail. Choked it. Little guy. And he's gone. There's another one. Not big. He's small, he's off. Should have been one here too. There he is. Oh, he's not that big. I mean, he's not bad though. hooked it. Not big, probably a 14. That's okay. We're gonna put him back. Put him back. There goes my chatterbait. Motherfucker. So losing that bait may have been one of the best things that ever could have happened to me. Because what's about to happen, it's kind of like a butterfly effect. And it pretty much starts a whole new path on my YouTube journey. And that will be unveiled in a later video. I don't think I have any more. I have my little one that I made. The f off. Jesus. I made it. Oh, let's try it. Well, good luck, little guy. It's very light though for this bait caster. Oh, I got a fish. Oh my god, that's third cast of my homemade chatterbait. He's not big. That's okay though. I caught a fish on my homemade mini chatterbait. The poor man chatterbait. Nice. It's very erratic action. It is not pulse even. It's all over the place. I should loosen my drag a little bit, because this does not have the stout hook that the other one has. I got another one. Oh my god, it's not small. It is not small. Oh my god. On my homemade chatterbait. What the oh. Okay, he's not a giant, but that may be the biggest fish today on my homemade poor man's chatterbait. There's another big one right there. Get in the boat, please. I know this hook is way smaller than it should be for this. Why am I not using that net? Why am I not using a net? What is happening on my homemade chatterbait? Let's see how long he is. That is a 16, a little over a 16 on my homemade black and blue chatterbait. Yes, there's another big one up there. I should go get it. Here we go. 16. Gone. How that dude even got hooked and I dragged too light like that? I don't know. There was another one up there. Oh, this is insane. Oh, I literally made this like 2 months ago and was like, I just forgot about it. Oh my God. There was another very big smallie with that one up here. Dude, the action on this is insane. Biggest fish today was on my homemade chatterbait. Oh my god, what the? The action on this chatterbait is, it's just like a chatterbait, but it's darts back and forth everywhere. I mean, who knows what it's doing? Like, it's just all over the place. This is insane. Another one. Another one. Dude, they love this thing. What the fuck? It's small, but it doesn't matter. They love this fucking chatterbait that I made. Oh my god. It's almost like every cast. Get out, there we go, little guy. Get back out, there's big ones in there, I know there is. Another one. It's like every cast with this. Again, not a big one, but this is insane. I'm so glad I lost mother chatterbait. I'd have never put this on. There's one. He's not huge, but he's all right. It's a good fish for the homemade chatterbait. Oh, it's so wild. They're getting hooked so well too. This is a good spot. I gotta get them unhooked. There we go. Another little guy. Oh, right there. He's actually pulling drag, even though my drag's loose because he has smaller hooks. No, he's bigger than I thought. There's that good spot right there. It's probably another 14 and a half. Oh, it was a fish. I had no idea it was a fish. He's smaller. These are all good spots. For a little guy. So losing that chatterbait forced me to use a bait that I made several months ago, which actually ended up working even better than the chatterbait I was using. So maybe you can guess what the next series of videos will be about, but until then, thanks for watching.